Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. Now straight ahead that road is Mandela Highway, and to the right of it is where they're going to be building the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. Now this project is to start next year in 2025 and it should take 4 years to be completed. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Now it's being managed by the Port Authority of Jamaica and it's a massive project and it's a step towards Jamaica becoming a global logistics hub. The Caymanas Special Economic Zone represents a transformative project within Jamaica's logistics and economic development landscape. Slated to take over 4 years to reach completion, this long-awaited zone, set near the Port of Kingston, is a critical element of the Jamaica Global Logistics Hub initiative. With the support of the Port Authority of Jamaica, the Caymanas Special Economic Zone aims to position Jamaica as a premier logistics and transshipment hub in the Caribbean and beyond. The phased development will not only bring substantial economic benefits but also advance Jamaica's aspirations for modern, sustainable infrastructure. Led by the Port Authority with guidance from its president, Professor Gordon Shirley, the Caymanas Special Economic Zone will progress through 3 stages over 52 months, beginning in early 2025. For the fiscal year ending in March 2025, the Port Authority has allocated approximately $4.26 billion to kickstart foundational work for the project, as detailed in the Jamaica Public Bodies Report. The government has tasked the Port Authority with driving this development, which has been in the planning phase for over a decade, marking it as a priority within Jamaica's economic agenda. The vision for the Caymanas Special Economic Zone goes beyond traditional logistics. Professor Shirley emphasizes that this zone will prioritize value-added production, innovation, and sustainability. By creating a secure, eco-friendly, and technologically advanced space, the Caymanas Special Economic Zone aims to attract a range of businesses, from manufacturing to logistics services, that can capitalize on Jamaica's strategic location and robust infrastructure. This focus on sustainable and safe development reflects Jamaica's commitment to addressing global environmental challenges while fostering economic growth. To ensure efficient execution, the Caymanas Special Economic Zone has completed several engineering prerequisites: extensive planning, including topological surveys, geotechnical investigations, and layouts for roads, water supply, sewage, and stormwater management has been finalized. These efforts are critical in setting a solid foundation for a complex project of this magnitude, which will require seamless integration of various infrastructural components. Ultimately, the Caymanas Special Economic Zone promises to be a milestone in Jamaica's economic transformation. By creating a modern, multi-purpose zone for global logistics, Jamaica stands to boost employment, attract foreign investment, and strengthen its position as a key player in Caribbean and international trade. As the project unfolds, it is anticipated to catalyze economic growth and stimulate innovation within the region, reinforcing Jamaica's status as a world-class logistics and production hub. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.